Greetings from Bugis. This is the Waterloo Street. There's some kind of apartment condo here, and there's a Hindu temple. Then in front there's a Guanyin Simalu temple. A lot of devotees come and pray. And HDB here very colorful. Arts house group where the arts live. I was just having a random walk because I'm on my way to Singapore's secret HDB. So I passed by this area. Wow, and there's another building called Fortune Center. It's a colorful building, cooling wool or something right over left side. You know, Bugis is so much fun here. There's so many stuff to see. Not just a mall, but there's shopping, there's restaurants, there are artistic looking buildings like the one in front, the blue color one. And there's another yellow building in front. It's actually the center for photography and film. There's a yellow building and there's a white red color. Oh, there are pictures now. Last time I came, there was no photos. There were only the plain yellow walls. So I'm going to the building right there with the Chinese characters. Oh, there's a night church. The one I believe is St. George Church. And here are more beautiful buildings.